Hello again. Welcome to the future. With all the conflicts going on in the world, the one between Ukraine and Russia is the most dangerous. You see, no longer can you hide from your enemies. Sure, you may enter a house to protect yourself, or you may be inside a tank. Regardless of where you choose to hide, you cannot hide from the FPV drones. These drones are the most dangerous and feared weapons of the modern age. All over the world, countries are noticing. Take the United States M-LIDs, for example, or the German Sky Ranger. China is no different. Say hello to China's newest anti-drone weapon known as the FK-3000. This vehicle proves that China has been closely watching the effects of drones on warfare. The FK-3000 was originally shown during the Zhuhai Air Show in 2022. The FK-3000 is a surface-to-air missile system mounted on a 6x6 SX-2220 high-mobility truck platform. The chassis is mounted with an unmanned turret, autocannons, missiles, a search and tracking radar, a radio jammer, and a fire control system. However, there are now two different variants. The variant shown at Zhuhai Air Show mounted 6 large missiles, 48 smaller missiles. The newest variant features 96 smaller missiles instead. With an effective range of 300 meters, roughly 1,000 feet, to 12 kilometers, roughly 7.5 miles, the FK-3000 is a formidable short-ranged air defense system. The FK-3000 is intended for critical infrastructure and frontline positions tailored for drones. China has put an emphasis on unmanned aerial systems in the past years, specifically focusing what was recovered from the Ukraine conflicts. The main armament is an unmanned 30mm autocannon with an effective range of nearly 4 kilometers. It can be equipped to fire airburst munitions comparable to Western ahead ammunition. This ammunition releases a spread of metal shards to cause small amounts of damages across the entire aircraft. The turret mounts a large electrical optical sensor cluster. This can lock onto targets where radar detection can fail. The radar was completely redesigned, consisting of 1 large and 3 smaller phased array panels that provide 360-degree coverage. With a detection radius of 150 meters to 30 kilometers, targets can be locked on as slow as 2.57 meters per second all the way up to 411 meters per second. These targets can include small drones to the faster cruise missiles or even helicopters. There are 2 types of missiles being used. The larger FK-3000/L medium-ranged missiles and the smaller 40mm micro missiles. The larger missiles can reach a range of 22 kilometers. The micro missiles can reach a range of 5 kilometers at a speed of 600 meters per second. There are 4 micro missiles in each launch tube. Each micro missile is equipped with infrared imaging seekers designed to counter swarms of drones. With that, the FK-3000 continues the Chinese lineage of short-ranged air defense missiles and further brings China into the modern age.